Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology and showing you how to use Alexa to control your Amazon Fire TV. It's a super convenient way to manage your TV with just your voice. So, let's get started. Step 1. Set up your devices. First things first, you need to have both an Amazon Fire TV and an Alexa-enabled device, like an Echo Dot or Echo Show. Make sure both devices are set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Link your Fire TV and Alexa. Next, we need to link your Fire TV with Alexa. Here's how you do it. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the devices icon at the bottom right corner. Select Plus's icon or Add Device. Choose Fire TV from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now that your devices are linked, you're ready to start controlling your Fire TV with Alexa. Step 3. Basic voice commands. Here are some basic voice commands you can use to control your Fire TV. Alexa, turn on Fire TV. Alexa, play movie or show name. Alexa, pause. Alexa, fast forward 10 minutes. Alexa, search for a genre or actor. These commands make it super easy to navigate and control your Fire TV without even touching the remote. Step 4. Advanced controls. For more advanced controls, you can use commands like Alexa, open app name. Alexa, go to channel name on Fire TV. Alexa, show me my watch list. Alexa, rewind 30 seconds. Alexa, turn off Fire TV. Using these advanced commands, you can have a truly hands-free experience with your Fire TV. Step 5. Troubleshooting tips. If you're having trouble, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Alexa device and Fire TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both your Fire TV and Alexa device. Ensure your Fire TV is running the latest software version. Try unlinking and relinking your devices in the Alexa app. These tips should help resolve most common issues you might encounter. Conclusion, and that's it. Now you know how to use Alexa to control your Amazon Fire TV. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.